Welcome to the premiere of Teamcenter Quality. Hi, my name is Levent, I'm Product Manager at Siemens, and I will be presenting the new Teamcenter Quality product to you. If you have any questions during the presentation, please leave your questions in the live Q&A chat. We have a team here that will answer your questions. Let me start with some challenges that most of larger companies observe. With Teamcenter Quality, we aim to break the silos between engineering, manufacturing, and quality management. We allow the traceability of all activities between departments and provide a common repository for different domains. This makes it possible that we can provide a common change management to our customers. With all this, you can produce products faster with improved quality and gain competitive advantage. Let me tell you the story holistically. A new product begins its life cycle as a requirement. Using modern methods of product development, it evolves to a system, then a logical structure, until being a virtual product. With quality planning methods like APQP and PPAP, the project quality is monitored and approved in respective milestones. The Teamcenter Quality FMEA provides the toolset to identify and mitigate risks in the virtual product and process structures. Residual risks are managed through the quality control plan, with inspection plans for critical characteristics to be checked on the real product. Any deviations on the real product are recorded in non-conformance and resolved through Teamcenter Quality problem solving with effective root cause analysis methods. The common change management feature distributes the changes to all stakeholders in the loop so that the product development process continuously improves and reduces the time to market of new products as well as total cost of quality of existing products. Some of these components are already available in Teamcenter, and some we added to serve the quality focus under the Teamcenter Quality family, working seamlessly together with the existing modules. Now, let's have a look on the quality features. We start with quality planning. To increase the success of a product launch, it is extremely important to plan properly your project phases, elaborate on the risks, and make sure that they are handled in later stages. We provide a quality project management feature that supports the complete product development process across all areas of the company with traceability on all created deliverables for a better collaboration of engineering, manufacturing, and quality management. With the failure mode and effect analysis, we provide an advanced tool to identify and mitigate risks from potential failures in the virtual product and process structures to avoid potential costly defects with high damage during the life cycle of the real product. The control and inspection planning feature holds the process steps and activities to control critical elements during the manufacturing processes where the potential risk could not be mitigated completely but controlled systematically to identify defective parts. Let's move on to quality assurance. For shop floor improved acquisition of quality data, we have several possibilities. Quality data can be captured in several Siemens execution systems, for example, Teamcenter Quality Control for a shop floor improved usability. In any cases, we connect back to Teamcenter through our non-conformance management feature to capture all deviations from the quality execution system occurred during an inspection with an intelligent failure catalog for immediate solution and systematic problem-solving processes. It is good to know about the product quality, but it is better to improve it as well as the related production processes, and so reduce the quality costs in your company. For this, we are recording quality issues in a central quality issue management feature to be used throughout the company by all users for transparency of all quality issues about repetition, severity, and whether they are resolved in a problem-solving process or not. The problem-solving feature allows to find and eliminate root causes effectively considering all internal knowledge bases. It's a comprehensive root cause analysis and corrective and preventive action management tool to support sustainable product and process improvements. The common quality action management feature centralizes the administration of all quality-related activities and monitors company-wide their status with automated escalation mechanisms for securing on-time closure of quality activities. In Teamcenter Quality, you can manage the activities on your supply chain and manage some of the previous features that I mentioned associated to your suppliers. Supplier assessment enables the assessment of a supplier with a checklist in a project and a rating to have a better overview of the capabilities of the supplier. Supplier quality approval manages supplier projects to control proper deliverables are submitted by the supplier and accepted by your company. Supplier quality issues provide the possibility to record quality issues for a supplier. Let's continue with some supporting features. There are several levels of analytic capabilities on Teamcenter Quality, from the simplest and most flexible until the complex and sophisticated business intelligence capabilities, leveraging more components of the Siemens portfolio. With use of advanced search capabilities, the use of reports and dashboards, the user can identify and prioritize and investigate potential product and process quality issues. This is supported by audit logs throughout the product and traceability between different quality processes. For advanced analytics capabilities, you can extend Teamcenter Quality with further Siemens analytic tools. Let's talk about the user interface. Teamcenter Quality is exposed through a modern and innovative web-based user interface accessible on any modern computing device without a client or plugin installation. The touch-enabled intuitive interface is optimized to support both mobile and desktop devices. The interface can be easily tailored to fit your business. We have experts that are improving the usability continuously for all domains with the aim to make everything self-explanatory. For any other case, we can support the user with artificial intelligence. The user guidance with Teamcenter Assistant functionality proposes the next command in the context from where the user currently is. The suggestions are based on the own company's used commands within the respective context by other users. This provides a greater efficiency and higher productivity during all quality management processes, regardless if the user is an expert or new to the topic. I will post a link below for further information on the new Teamcenter Assistant feature. Watch out for it. Let's have a word on the platform itself. The Teamcenter Collaboration Platform combines several domains such as project management, product lifecycle management, simulation, manufacturing planning, and many other areas under one common platform. You can benefit from a common user and organization management for all participating domains. Teamcenter Quality leverages these platform capabilities and many more. Then we have the common change management feature that communicates product or process changes throughout the company in a workflow-guided way. Teamcenter Quality is seamlessly integrated in the change management capability from both directions. The changes can be triggered within Teamcenter Quality, affecting the complete organization, or the change occurred in another domain but affects the quality process as well. A common change management is the basis for better collaboration between domains and faster exchange of current information. With less user training efforts and reduced IT footprint, you can expand to different domains and gain value from the synergies, for example, in moving to a domain like PLM. For further information on the Teamcenter platform, I will post also a link. Let's talk about some benefits performing PLM on the same platform as the quality management. The user from each site have a two-way visibility of each references. If there is a quality process on a product referenced, the product owner knows directly what is going on, or the quality manager can trace a newer revision. The 3D data that is maintained is directly available also for the quality user, and the product or process data that you have created in the quality offering is usable later when your company is expanding to the PLM domain. One last point on extensibility. It is possible to configure or extend the system with almost without limitations. From extensions on data model or workflow or user interface or layout, everything is possible in the web-based UI. Connections to external systems tie in directly to the Teamcenter Quality data model or adapt to the workflow functionality. And in case you have a business need that is not covered anywhere, you can extend the system with using our low-code platform Mendix. We provide numerous possibilities to leverage the data and connect to Teamcenter so that you can build all that is required using the Mendix platform from Siemens, maybe connecting to more sources. For further information on the Mendix platform, I will post a link later. So let us summarize. What do you get today? Sophisticated QMS capabilities on a proven platform with a common change management feature, fostering cross-domain collaboration, extend to further domains plug and play, giving you the ability to extend independently using our low-code platform. You can leverage the most out of the 3D data model, work in a modern user interface supported with an artificial intelligence-based assistant, with the freedom to connect to external systems, customizing possibility to fit your business processes, having still the single point of truth of your data, which you can analyze using several quality analytics capabilities. I hope you liked the premiere. If so, give me a like and watch out for further posts that I promised you.